Welcome to MK's workshop. Today's video focuses on shortening the kickstand on a KTM bike. To start off, the kickstand needs to be removed from the bike. Objective is to shorten the kickstand about an inch, as the suspension was lowered by that amount. Before cutting it, the plastic foot must be removed. By using the blowtorch, it will soften the plastic, making it easier to remove it. A bandsaw was used to cut the kickstand. A deburring tool and a file were used to smoothen the sharp edges. With the help of the blowtorch, reposition the plastic foot into the kickstand. A new hole was drilled with a milling machine to provide space for a rivet. To secure the plastic foot into place, the Big Daddy tool was used to fasten the rivet. The kickstand is ready to be reinstalled onto the bike. Make sure to add a bit of blue Loctite on the bolt to avoid it from getting loose. Brings us to the end of the video. If you liked the video, feel free to subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.